ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धिसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः।
When a bad deed, paap, or bad karma comes to light, a person has to undergo suffering. This is understandable. But because of the bad karma of one person, if someone else has to undergo tremendous suffering, how is that justifiable? However, this is the truth of life and happens to numerous people. Pranam and welcome to the episode 30 of Babji, the divinity that lives on. Today we shall share the story of a woman whose son was born with paralysis. Though she was elated to be a mother, the paralysis snatched away the bliss from her heart. Despite the illness, he was her dear son and the apple of her eye. She did everything she could to make his life comfortable. Within 5 years, she gave birth to another son, and soon her world was filled with motherly duties. Being a mother of an infant and an elder son who was differently able, combined with the responsibility of the household, she was on her toes round the clock. She would be so exhausted by night that she felt that she would not be able to wake up the next day. However, she had to wake up every day, put on a fresh smile, and live her life happily for the sake of her 2 sons. Soon the sons grew up. However, though the elder son aged, he was still as dependent as an infant. He could not even comb his own hair or brush his teeth. Only a mother knows the pain of seeing her child disabled and not being able to cope up with the world outside. Moreover, his condition invited a lot of sympathetic stares from everyone, and over time, it became all the more agonizing for her. While the elder son was suffering from constant pain, her younger son seemed to be blessed. His handsome looks, virtuous attitude, and loving behavior melted the heart of anyone he met. He was one of the top students in his class, got good grades, got admission into a great computer engineering program, and soon found a high-paying job. His life seemed complete. Everyone around the mother would always keep on praising her younger son. So when the time came, they started looking for a suitable partner for the younger son. And however, they could not find one. A man with all the qualities that a girl might need in a life partner was not acceptable to anyone, because one day he might have to take up the responsibility of his elder brother. When the mother realized this was the reason that her son could not find a partner, she broke down. How could she, the mother of 2 beautiful sons, tolerate the fact that the destiny of one son was deeply impacting the other one? Once she understood the hesitance of the girl, she ensured to let all the prospective matches know that the elder son would be entirely the mother's responsibility till the very end. He could not even move his hand. How could he ever be a barrier in someone's life? However, nothing worked. Nobody was ready to make peace with the fact that the boy's elder brother was a paralytic man. When they had no option left, when they felt as if there was nothing left, the family rushed to Dada. They prayed to Babji Dada with all their heart and put all their worries at his feet. Tears streamed down the mother's cheek as she said, "Dada, I know I cannot ask such things from you, but I do not know where to go. Please help us, Dada. You are our only hope. Please help us." After that day, the family decided to visit the Samadhi Tirth every Thursday. And voila, it had not even been 3 months since they started visiting his shrine, and an amazing family with a beautiful daughter approached them with the proposal. When they met for the first time, the mother told them everything about the elder son. Hearing the story, the girl said, "Don't worry, I will take care of him like my elder brother. By marrying your son, I will become the daughter of this family, and I will ensure that I care for every person in the family with all my heart. All you have to do is say yes to this marriage." Her words were music to the mother's ears. Where can you find such a right-minded and warm-hearted girl in today's world? But if Dada is there, everything is possible, isn't it? Dada, when I see you, my heart is filled with peace. When I am near you, my soul is filled with light. When I surrender to you, I cease to exist. When all of me becomes you, what more do I need? Om Shri Siddhi Sureshwar Satgurubhyo Namaha.